You from Russia?
I'm from China.
China, very good. So, what's your name?
You can call me.
No, wait. Let me guess it. I don't know your name, but I think it's as beautiful as you are.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god.
So now
Are you
tell me.
flirting me?
I'm a therapist, okay? I just give good energy to other people. And I want to know, is your period bothering you? When was your last period?
A couple days ago, maybe like. Oh my god.
Is it bothering
It's
your
like-
body, bothering you?
No, it's okay.
But if so, that I can stop them for 9 months. I have a tool that I can stop them.
You can stop my period?
For 9 months, yeah.
Oh, f you. You can make me pregnant. F you. Stop that.